Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So today's video is on this month's Glossybox. If you don't know what Glossybox is, I'll have all like the important details in the description bar and then a link over to Glossybox's website where you can go over if you want any more information. So this month's Glossybox is in the standard pink box and then the black logo. It also has the pink and black in the lid. With the Glossybox, you normally get the description card that tells you all about the products you have in the box. So I'll just pop that to the side. And then you get the black ribbon and the pink tissue paper. So I'm just going to open that up and see what's inside. So, ooh, these are all the products. You see that? So I'm just going to pick up this really fancy pink one. If you can see. This is from Figs and Rogue. Soft Focus Pore Perfect HD and Matte Vel. So it must be a primer. It's a high definition and pore perfecting soft focus veil. Weightless matte serum helps minimize the appearance of pores and creates a sheer complexion. Let's have a look on the card. Soft, yeah. A weightless matte serum designed to minimize the appearance of pores. So it's like a primer. This is a full size. And it would be £35 for this full size. 30 millilitres in this little one there. Apply to cleansed and moisturised skin. Work serum evenly across T-zone area. Wear under makeup for a perfect canvas. Alternatively, apply over makeup by pressing lightly onto skin. Touch up as needed to keep matte perfect and shine free. So you can wear it under and over makeup or touch up during the day. Just going to open it. It's like a clear liquid. It's got like sort of like a pinky, light pink tone to it. And it's like a water based gel, sort of like, it has no smell to it. It's very light. I'm going to give that a little go. Yeah, it dries down. So that's the first product. The next product I'm going to take out is this one. This is ORYZA that way, ORYZA Beauty. There's no other information. So it's a lipstick, a very nude lipstick. I'm just gonna swatch it there. Very, very nude. Just gonna read the information on the card as there's nothing else on the packaging. ORYZA Beauty, a warm nude lipstick. The Velvet Ribbon lipstick range by ORYZA has a weightless, semi-matte and satin finish. Full size, $15.95. It's a pretty colour. So that's the second product. The next one is, oh, don't know what that says. See if I can find it. THEORIE Des Volcans. I can't say that. It's a noir. It's a youth potion. A vegan purifying scrub mask that magically turns from pink to grey. That's very interesting. A mask exfoliant mask scrub. 30 millilitres in that one as well. What does it say? Massage with fingertips in light circular motions to exfoliate, rinse with clear water. So that's that one. There's also a full size for £26.50. I'll have all like the products in the description bar. If I don't pronounce them right, they're always correct in there. So that's that one. The next product is this MUDMASKY Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. This overnight mask by premium skincare brand MUDMASKY. Hails from Amsterdam. Using only fresh, raw, all natural ingredients, the mask hydrates, soothes and smooths your skin. A feast for the senses. It's scented with natural rose water imported from a small village in ORYZA, which helps to induce a more restful sleep after a long day. And I'm not sure if this is a full size or not. Does it say how much? It's got 20 millilitres in. It doesn't say if it's a full size, but the full size is £61. Cruelty free, natural ingredients and paraben free. Let's see if it smells of anything. So it just comes out like that. It has got like a little grey tinge to it, but it's not picking up on camera. Again, it's like a gel. It hasn't got much of a scent to it either. It's quite smooth and soft and light, and it just goes straight into the skin. Let's try that one out. And the last product is this Good Morning AM mask. Skin feeling dull and tired? Are you in need of a good makeup day? Yes. Start your morning with this purifying AM mask for a bright and fresh skin canvas. What's inside? Eco-friendly lyocell sheet induced in a peppermint leaf water, which helps purify, soothe stressed and tired skin, while the hydrolyzed conchilonin protein evens out the overall skin texture and improves skin tone. So cleanse face and apply toner. Unfold mask, remove plastic film and place onto skin. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove the mask gently. Pat to absorb remaining essence, like the gel. It seems good. 25 millilitres. Let's have a look what it says. Good morning, Meg. It's from MEG Cosmetics. Start your morning with the purifying AM mask for a bright and fresh skin canvas. You can also get a PM mask in these boxes. There's a whole lot of different other products that are in probably other boxes. So it just depends what ones you get, I think. Same as last month's. So that is all that I got in this month's Glossybox. I can't wait to try a few ones out. I like the colour of the lipstick. It's nice. So the sneak peek for April's box is a fat liquid liner by Ico London. It's just up there. So that is all in this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. If you have any more ideas, or you want me to look at some beauty products, please leave a comment in the description bar, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.